Looking for easy and affordable ways to improve your home? Check out our 45 DIY home repair ideas that can be done with minimal time, effort and money. These tips cover everything from fixing a leaky faucet to installing a new toilet seat, and they're all simple enough to tackle on your own. 1. Fix a leaky faucet. 2. Install a new toilet seat. 3. Replace a light switch. 4. Install a ceiling fan. 5. Install a programmable thermostat. 6. Fix a squeaky door. 7. Repair drywall holes. 8. Replace a broken tile. 9. Install a new showerhead. 10. Fix a running toilet. 11. Replace a damaged window screen. 12. Patch a small hole in the wall. 13. Install a new light fixture. 14. Replace a damaged baseboard. 15. Recaulk a bathtub or shower. 16. Repair a damaged fence. 17. Fix a clogged sink or drain. 18. Replace a doorknob. 19. Install a new doorbell. 20. Patch a roof leak. 21. Replace a damaged window pane. 22. Fix a sticking door or window. 23. Install security system. 24. Replace a damaged cabinet hinge. 25. Repair a leaky roof. 26. Install a new mailbox. 27. Replace a broken garbage disposal. 28. Repair a squeaky floor. 29. Fix a loose handrail. 30. Replace a damaged outlet. 31. Install a new kitchen sink. 32. Replace a broken screen door. 33. Fix a damaged gutter. 34. Repair a damaged deck board. 35. Install a new shower door. 36. Install security cameras. 37. Replacing wall tile. 38. Install a new medicine cabinet. 39. Repair a damaged hardwood floor. 40. Replace a damaged door sweep. 41. Install a new storm door. 42. Install an attic fan. 43. Replace a broken fence post. 44. Repair a cracked concrete surface. 45. Install a new window blind. Now that you are inspired, it is time to get to work.